So this drill is meant for people that are going to be trying to expand range of motion into their cervical spine, where we're elongating all the things on the side here. The time spent where you're in the stretch is going to be about 2 minutes. And then when we start contracting some tissues, we're spending roughly 10 seconds doing some counter contractions. So if I'm really stiff, it's going to be pretty hard for me to just even lay on my side like this. And you see I want to crunch my shoulder up to kind of assist me. I'll just show what it looks like when I'm on the ground, one off of a bench or your bed. So right here, I personally like to hold on to something, and I just let my head dangle and stretch. I should be feeling that all on the right side here. It doesn't have to be super intense. It's just a light stretch and a light hang. I'm letting gravity work for me. Put the timer on. We're going for about 2 minutes here. Breathing and relaxing, finding new places to just soften. After about 2 minutes now, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to try to start contracting the right side of my neck, so the top side. And what I'll do is I can either place my hand here near my cheek to give me some sort of pressure, or I'm just going to naturally try to lift and tighten the tissues as if I'm bringing my right ear towards my right shoulder. So I'm just going to tighten those tissues up and hold for 10 seconds. And then I'm going to do the complete opposite and use my left side to pull me down further into this stretch position. I should be tightening the left. I might feel a stretch on the right side. That's okay. I'm holding that for about 10 seconds. As long as I'm stimulating the left side, we're doing good. And then eventually I'll just slowly breathe and relax and allow my head to sink deeper into lateral flexion. A couple things to keep in mind is the chin will want to start to turn into certain positions. Try to keep your gaze forward, and that'll help you stay honest with how you're stretching this thing, because as I start to rotate, I can really get a nice pull here right through my trap, and that's not necessarily what we're trying to target. We're trying to target the scaling tissues, so we need to be in more of a true side bend to help us maximize that. Once we've done that contraction set, we're resting for 30 seconds, and we're going to repeat the contractions. So I'm going to inhale. When I exhale, I'm creating stiffness on the right side of my neck, a little bit of a lift, side bending, stimulating the right side, breathing, and then the complete opposite, left side's doing work, pulling my head down towards the ground and towards my left shoulder. About 10 seconds. Breathe and relax, and then get yourself out of the position.